Well, hello again, and this time I tested the Milwaukee EX4 amp hours battery against the Ryobi 4 amp hour battery, and this is the, I believe, is the P122. Now, I built this little flashlight out of old battery flashlight, and pretty much what it is, it's this eBay work light or car, I guess, I don't know, car light or something like that. That was actually 2 for $20, I believe. And I installed it instead of the light bulb over here on the head of this flashlight. As you can see, it's a pretty strong light actually. I would say about maybe 2000 lumens. Yep. And I put this to the test. I connected this light to the Milwaukee battery and turned on the timer. And the timer was at 3.5 hours when the Milwaukee turned to 1 bar. And at that point I just shut it off because I assume it's gonna last another 30 minutes, maybe 45 minutes. So just about 4 hours probably on the Milwaukee battery. But the Ryobi, I turn it on and I turn on the timer, and the timer is actually still running. And it's been about 6 hours. Actually more than 6 hours, a little bit, a couple of minutes more. And there is a 1 bar on the battery, and it turned to 1 bar after about 5.5 hours. So it's been running 30 minutes right now on 1 bar. And I'm gonna let it run all the way to the end, and I will update you whenever this is over. So it has been 7 hours and 7 minutes, and the light is still running. And I kind of decided that I am not going to push the limits anymore. I am good with 7 hours of light from this battery. But this is pretty impressive compared to the Milwaukee. And I am kind of bummed because I am a big fan of Milwaukee tools and batteries, of course. So anyway, I'm gonna shut the light. That's good enough for me. And I'm gonna unplug it. I'm gonna need both hands here. Okay. And I'm gonna plug the battery into the drill. And it looks like the drill is still running. And we have only 1 bar here. But this is pretty impressive. The Ryobi 1, hands down. Alright, that's it. Thank you for your time. Okay, so I ran the test again on the Milwaukee battery because I couldn't believe that this was the case. I thought I made a mistake somewhere, but as you can see, there is a 1 bar, and it has been 3 hours and 47 minutes, but I didn't get here probably in 3 hours and 30 minutes. It's been probably since like the first time 3 hours and 30 minutes when it turns to 1 bar. And I don't think I'm gonna push it any farther than this. It's gonna last maybe another hour, if that much. But this is kind of disappointment with Milwaukee batteries, and this is actually different battery than the one I tried before. This is another one that I have. I have actually 3 of these, so I thought maybe the first one was something wrong with it, but it looks like they both perform same. So sorry Milwaukee, this is a disappointment. Thank you very much for your time.